Introduction to the wireless power transmission for electric vehicle using solar and wind. In this product we are using 12 volts 1 amp 1.5 amp battery pack, peak microcontroller and inverter, and also using a 1 2 3 rectifier boards, and also using a step down transformer and DC generator, solar panel. And here we can see this is a transmitter coil, and this we can see for the robo this is a receiver coil, and this is a another charging circuit for the battery. And also we can control this robo using this robo switch. So coming to the battery pack, here we can see each battery have a 4 volt 1.5 amp capacity. So we added this battery series. In series voltage will be added and current will be same. So that's why it is a 12 volts with 1 amp 1.5 amp battery rating, and that 12 volts will be given to the inverter input, and also it will be given to the peak microcontroller. So here we can see 7805, it will take the 12 volts input and it will give 5 volts output to this microcontroller. So microcontroller will generate a gate signals. That gate signals will be triggered by this inverter MOSFETs. So based on the gate signal, it will be generate a AC waveform or AC current using this battery. So inverter input is battery and output is AC current. That current will be given to this transmitter coil. Then transmitter coil will be transmit the electromagnetic field and it will create a electromagnetic field. So that field will be wirelessly connected by this EV receiver coil. Then wirelessly power will be transmitted to this receiver coil. That coil current will be given to this rectifier. So it will be given AC current. That AC current will be given to this rectifier. So it will convert AC to DC. That converted DC will be given to this battery to charge. And coming to the power sources for the battery, so we can charge this battery using 3 sources. One is a transformer, another the solar and wind. So I will show you the first of all transformer. So for that one we need to give the 230 volts power supply for this power cable to this primary of the transformer, and second of the transformer will step down up to 12 volts. That will be given to this rectifier. Rectifier converts AC to DC. That converted 12 volts DC will be given to this battery. So electrically we can charge this battery maximum 4 to 5 hours, and there will be light indication for the battery charging. Now I have removed that connection. And coming to the solar, so here we can see this is a solar connection, and we can see small light indication. So if I remove this, light will be stop. If I add this one, so we can see light indication over here. So now due to low sunlight, it is showing very low voltage. If I place that one in sunlight, then it will generate up to 12 volts that will be given to this battery. So one doubt will be raised on my mind that solar is also generated DC, but why we are directly not giving to this battery? Because sometimes reverse voltage will be occur to the solar panel. To protect the solar panel, we are using this rectifier between the battery and solar panel. So in this rectifier we have a diodes which is allow the forward voltage, which doesn't allow the reverse voltage. So that's why we are giving the rectifier DC output to this rectifier. Then rectifier give a DC voltage to the again battery voltage without reverse voltage. And also here we are using generator, DC generator. So if I rotate this one, so we can see there will be light indication, and if I rotate clockwise, if I rotate anti-clockwise, so this energy will be generated due to this rectifier. So this rectifier will be works as a polarity corrector at the same time reverse voltage protector. So the DC generated voltage will be given to this rectifier. So rectifier giving the voltage that generated power to this battery in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. It will be giving only DC voltage without changing of polarity. And also it is used for the reverse voltage protection for the DC generator also. And coming to the wireless transmission, So if you want to control this robo, so we need to switch on this switch here, and now just use this one. So this is forward and this is the reverse. So based on switch we can control this one. Now I am switching on this switch to turn on the inverter. So we can see there will be light indication, which means wirelessly charging the battery. So if I again send this card to the coil, so we can see there will be light indication, which means it is giving the wireless charge to the EV battery. So now the light indication was stopped here. So in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.